Hey everyone, I have a little bit of a riff on a classic cocktail. So this is going to be the Blood Orange Negroni. So classic Negroni has got gin, which mine is still going to have gin, but it is going to be a blood orange gin. So a little bit of a different take on it. Measurements are still going to be the same. So we're going to start with a stirring vessel. Make sure you have your stirring spoon, your jigger for accurate measurement. It's going to go in a rocks glass with a BFC, a big cube. And then you can use either your Hawthorne strainer or you can use a julep strainer, whichever you're more comfortable with. We're not putting fresh juice in this, so you don't need that mesh strainer. To start out, we're going to do one, oh yes, don't forget, ingredients down below so you can build the cocktail with me. So it's going to be 1-1-1. So we're going to do 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. And in case you didn't know, vermouth is actually wine. So if you are not storing your sweet vermouth in the fridge, you're doing it wrong. And then we have 1 ounce of Campari. And then 1 ounce of my blood orange gin. Whew, that is some serious citrus. All right, so then we are going to put ice into our mixing glass. And then we are going to stir here for about 25 to 30 seconds. We want to dilute this ice. Make sure we're not shaking it around or anything like that. We're not trying to incorporate air into this cocktail. We just want to dilute the ice into the cocktail itself. I did learn that this cocktail, the original Negroni, actually originated in 1919 back in Italy when a gentleman with the last name of Negroni wanted to switch up his classic drink, the Americano. So instead of using soda, he asked for gin because he wanted a stronger cocktail. So that's actually how the Negroni came to be. All right. So again, we've got a nice dilution happening here. That mixing glass is nice and chilled along with our ingredients here. So we're going to grab our BFC, or in my case, a smaller BFC. Mine's not standard size. I'm sorry, guys. Medium cube. It's a medium cube. So I'm using a julep strainer. Again, you can use a Hawthorne strainer if you're more comfortable. But all you have to do is set it off to the side, get your ice onto one side of the mixing glass. You're going to use your index finger to push on that, and then we are going to pour directly over that BFC. Ugh, gorgeous. And then also something, they use an orange peel or an orange slice to differentiate the original Americano from the Negroni. So the Negroni has the orange peel versus lemon. So I'm going to give this guy just a quick twist because I'm bougie. And just give it a little bit of a tap there. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert that right behind my BFC. And there you have it, our blood orange Negroni. Don't forget, guys, if you're enjoying the content, you like what I'm doing here, or if you've even tried the cocktails, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Let me know if you like the cocktails. Otherwise, until the next pour, cheers.